is Satya Chamani everyone. Today I will present about hardware, software, and operation system. Let's get started. Hardware. What is hardware? Hardware is the physical component of a computer system that can be touched and felt. Unlike software, which is digital, hardware includes all physical devices that support the operation of a computer system. Example of hardware and their function. Each hardware device has different functions and tasks. However, in general, there are four main functions of computer hardware, including keyboard. The input device, also known keyboard, helps user enter letter, number, and symbol into the computer. Mouse. This device, which looks like a mouse, is used to move the cursor on the monitor screen. Microphone. This device helps user input audio or sound data in the computer. Scanner. This device functions to input image data into the computer. Usually, the original data is hard copy document that is then converted into a soft copy document. Videographic adapter. This device functions to process graphic data and display it on the monitor screen. CPU. This device is called the brain of the computer because it controls all computer process from processes, instruction to production output. Motherboard. This device is able to control the performance of all components connected to the motherboard, such as the power supply, RAM, hard disk, and other devices. RAM. This hardware can speed up data processing and acts as short-term memory in computer by temporarily storing data from the processor. Monitor. This is primary hardware device that computer must have because its function is display this data or information visually. SSD. This device has the same function as hard disk, which is to store data permanently. However, because it uses chips and SSD can read and write data faster. Conclusion. Hardware and software are important components of a computer system. Hardware is the physical part of computer, while software help user operate the computer easily. Both work together to make computer activities faster and more efficient. Right. Software and operation system. What is software? A college of command of instruction whose function is to run program on computer. Software work according to the programming language and the data entered into it. Commonly used programming language are Visual Basic and C++. Example of software. Windows, the most commonly used operating system on personal computer. Linux and open source operating system will be used on server and desktop computer, Mac OS. An operation system developed by Apple for Mac computer, Microsoft Word, used for word processing and creating document, Microsoft Excel, used for processing data and creating tables, Adobe Photoshop, used for image editing and graphic design. Google Chrome, a web browser used to access the internet. What is an operation system? An operation system is software that manages all computer resources and provides basic services for application. Program the operation system work as a resource manager ensuring that every application and running process requires CPU, time allocation, memory space, storage, and access to input-output device safely and efficiently. Some popular examples of operating system include Windows, Linux, macOS, Android, and iOS. Function of operating system. Process management. The operation system manages the creation, excluding, and termination of process. The operation system ensures that each process gets thrown to use the CPU and handles process through multitasking, allowing user to run multiple application simulations. Memory manage. The operation system controls the use of RAM, determines which parts of memory are allocated to specific program, and manage virtual memory through paging or segmentation. File system management. Managing data storage, decorating, stores file, permissions, and access actions so that data can be stored and read safely and effectively. Security and protection. The operation system protects data and device from storage, access, storage, occultation, automation, and user access control. Types of operating system. Batch operation system, time sharing, sharing system, real-time operation system, distributed or operation system, mobile operation system. Conclusion. An operation system is an important component that connects hardware, user, and application. The OS plays a role research management, security, and the user interface, the reps supporting efficient computer performance. Thank you.